So we're at the Casela today. Going to see some animals.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch the tiger.
You're gonna touch the tiger? Are you that brave?
Lion King?
Yes.
So just getting our tickets now. There they are. So they have loads of stuff here that you can do. I think I want to go for that African safari, mini golf, petting farm. They even have a drive-through, camel ride, walk with lions, camel feeding. Let's see. Shreya,
Yeah.
I can't see your face because of your hat. There you go. So where are you going to go today?
Zip line.
You're going to the zip line?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yeah. Show the map. So loads of places.
So the zip line is there.
Let's see.
After 5 o'clock on Fridays.
Oh. It's raining.
It's raining slightly, but it should be fine.
Oh, a blue mosquito.
Mosquito?
Blue.
We haven't come to see mosquitoes.
I saw a blue mosquito.
Yeah.
She's had enough of the pushchair. She wants to walk.
Okay. You can do it here?
Yeah. Where's the peacock? I didn't see. Boya.
Fishy.
Oh, they're big. Big fishes. Oh, very big. There the mean. Single mean.
Uh-oh.
Mean. Mean. Sissy.
There's a baby one.
Go.
This kid.
Oh, look, you can buy this. Fish feeding bowls.
I want to get one.
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Oh, it's school kids. Look at this one, Shreya. Look at this. Dad. So they have really big fishes here. I feel like taking one and bringing it to London. Should I do that? Should I take a big one and put it in our fish tank?
No, let's do someone.
Okay.
Mean kanda chingu? Mean para? Mean. Mean. There's more fishes here as well.
If you put your leg inside.
Nice. You guys see peacock there? So nice. I like these ones.
My new friend's coming.
Oh yes, fishes. Oh nice. Look at that one.
Which one?
There.
Oh, that one. This one.
Shreya. Yeah, I'm taking pictures and videos. I'm the one that's taking videos. You should be taking the pictures. Shreya doesn't want to wear her hat, so I might as well. Does it look good? Shreya, does it look good on me?
We saw it already.
I saw that already. Oh, I didn't. No, I didn't see that. Yeah. This way.
No, this way.
Yep, this way. Why? Oh, Shreya, come.
Why?
What's that parrot?
Parrots.
Go. So, walk through. Are they all like? Can we go in? Why is it locked? Oh, it's closed. It's okay, we can see. We can still see. Yeah. Let's see if we can find any. Okay, I've seen enough fishes. Oh, look.
Parrot!
Where?
There!
Oh, yes. There they are. This way. I would love one of them. V, can you buy one of these? I want this one.
No, I want baby. You know, one girl, she has like she has 4 parrots, I think, and one of no baby parrots and one big parrot.
Tell her to give us one.
No, I think she's in Japan.
How do you know her? How come you have friends in Japan?
No, I don't.
Oh, look, peacock.
Where? Oh.
I think that's a peacock. Yes.
Peacock.
Aww. V, can you buy a parrot?
Okay.
I like parrots. Peacock.
That's not a peacock.
That is a peacock.
No,
Let's
that's
see.
a bird.
Not that. Here.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh, flamingo.
Kanda guys. Peacock kanda. Ah, flamingos.
I said it first.
Flamingos.
Flamingo.
Hello, flamingos.
I want to have that one. Flamingo.
There's one flamingo here. What's it doing?
It's eating. Don't disturb it.
Oh, sorry. Aww.
There's no baby peacock.
Hello. Hola, mo. Mano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah, you're right. You're right. Did you see those ducks going? They came out.
Yeah, yeah.
And they were just
Yeah.
going all the way around there. You're enjoying it, aren't you?
Aww. They're all up there.
Yeah. Some of them. Oh, let's see the map.
Bluebird Restaurant.
So where are we now?
Where are we, Shreya?
I don't know. So we can
We're here. We're here.
Oh,
So they have buffet here. Are we gonna eat here? Oh my god, there's birds there. Inside the restaurant. I'm not going in. Look at the view. Look at the view. Wow. I'm so sad. It's our last day here. We're flying out tomorrow. Back to London. Whoa. Look at the view.
not even me.
Look at Shreya. Do you like it? Are you having fun?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Come here, come here. Let me take a picture of you here. Come. Stand there. I'll take a picture. There. Say ee. I took Shreya's picture. No. Do you want me to take your picture?
Come. Hey, what is slide after?
Oh. Oh my god. Naughty, Ria. No, don't do that. Pavam Chechi. Umma kudu. Ah.
I'm going on the water slide.
Rabbits. Rabbits and guinea pigs.
Where's the rabbits?
Oh, there they are.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this rabbit.
Wait, where?
Look there, white one.
Oh, so cute.
Cute.
I really want to touch it.
Oh, look, baby ones. Small baby ones. Oh, so cute.
It's looking at you.
One is coming, one is coming, one is coming. Hello. Hi. They're hungry. Oh, it's empty.
Yeah, empty.
Oh. You can feed them. Small here. Just look at the view. So nice. One came close to us, I think they were hungry. They've got bowls and stuff there to feed them. Why are you so scared? Aww. Go find another one. Go closer.
Wait, I need to get a bigger one.
Bigger one. There. Some there. There. Aww. Yeah, look. Okay, let's see if she can do it. I don't know if she's scared, I think. Go there. Oh, pretty.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh.
Oh, this one is coming.
They want more.
Coming in.
Oh, look, they're all coming now.
Oh, good.
You better find something. Look, there's some here. This is Shreya's friend now. Look, feed
Oh
it.
my gosh! I'm scared.
That was nice feeding them. She got scared. Wow.
Oh, that's it.
Why can't I go close to them?
Because they might jump.
Ooh. They might jump. And then what else would they do?
They can come out.
There's one sleeping here.
I know there's a pig.
It's a pig.
I'm going to get a pig.
Let's go. Okay, there's a kids' playground. Shreya really wants to go there, so I'll show you guys their playground here. Hi, Shreya.
Hi.
Be careful.
Okay.
Look at the baby one.
Eduthu.
Touch it. You can touch it.
Possible to have a design on him like that.
That's different species.
Yeah, but a design on him, how is it possible?
Like that, yeah.
Amazing, isn't it? Look at the design on it.
Look at that cute big one.
Aww.
Oh my god, there's a big one here.
Really? It waits.
ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യാതെ റെഡ് ലൈറ്റ് അല്ലേ നമ്മളേക്കുമ്പോ
Oh, okay.
ചുമ്മാ പറഞ്ഞ അടക്കം
Eh?
You go scared. You want to go scared?
I believed you. I'm very gullible. Like my dad, yeah. So we're getting some drinks.
Come, please. I want to show you the lions. Come. Mom, they're so
Okay,
huge.
okay. No, this is fine. So that's what we're gonna go on very soon. So she's saying this. Is it lion or tiger? Let's see.
Oh, there's a lion. Mommy.
I don't know if you guys can see. It's one there, one here. So Shreya's gonna go on a camel ride. No, I'm not going. No, I don't wanna go. I've been once in Dubai.
One is ready.
One is ready for you.
Ready to ride.
Ready. Wait. Okay, so are you excited, Shreya? I've been on it once. Look, the camel is ready for you guys. We're going on a camel ride. We? Shreya?